Nightmare Collection Capsule 2025, baby! We got box.
What is up, Stellar Crew? It's Bryn and Ainsley.
Y'all know why we're here. It is spooky season.
What?
Another spooky season, another motherfucking capsule.
Let's do it!
This is the box! Drum roll, please. Nightmare Collection Capsule 2025, baby!
Oh my goodness!
Look at this box.
I'm so excited.
So, we're gonna unpack, unbox, unpack, and give our full reactions and our commentary on here because
Yay! Nightmare Box 2025! Salui!
we got this groovy box.
I really like the box. I like the detail. Ooh, I love the little man standing in the middle and his face. He has a face, guys.
Huh?
I also like this. Like, I love how he looks like the little spider guy, and like he's just ready to consume the cathedral.
It's like a spider cathedral. That's the box, baby. Let's open her up.
I'm excited.
First impressions. I like the inside of the box.
The inside is really nice. I like that's like a red version of it. It's kind of like the upside down. Then we have the sticker, and on the sticker, it's the same as the box design. Ainsley, thank you.
The sticker, limited edition sticker you could only get in the box.
Let's look at the tees. There's 5.
I believe there's 5 shirts.
5 standard tees.
Yes.
In this
Let's
box.
open our first one. I'm gonna call, by the looks of it, I'm calling this one Bone Badge.
Holding Bryn here. Turns out it was not named Bone Badge.
Let's see.
This is Ainsley's name for it. Bone Badge.
Bone Badge. I really like this. Let's move the sticker out of the way. It's a front hit.
It's a front print. It's a nice black shirt. We've got the Sullen Badge of Honor, as you can see there. But then if I'll bring it a little closer. You've got that complete badge of bones. You've got almost like, I want to say saliva or something dripping off of that. Like, you know, real bony, real scary, real slobbery, spooky.
I like that. I like the tag though.
But you got the Nightmare Collection.
The Nightmare Collection holographic tag. It's not a sticker though, unfortunately.
This is shirt numero 1, 1 of 5, baby. Just kidding, guys. That one's actually Nightmare Badge.
All right, this one. What are we called?
I don't know. I forgot these ones actually have names. Don't sleep.
All right, so you have like this little Sullen with the Thrasher. It's kind of like the Freddy Krueger.
Like almost like
Like
a
the
slash,
slash?
like it's taking it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look at the
Don't show we gotta show them the back first.
Let's look at the back.
Oh!
Shit! Oh my god, it
It
is
is
fucking
so scary.
creepy.
I'll take this closer to
Yeah.
the camera.
I don't love
guys?
the background. I feel like I'm getting watched.
Yeah, don't sleep.
Yeah, I am not
because-
sleeping.
Because this guy, this grimy guy, this spookalicious skin person is gonna get you in your sleep. So don't sleep, because this person, as you can see, they're wide awake because they're scared to death that this guy's gonna come get them with, is that like knife hands?
I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure it is a Freddy Krueger reference because that's quite literally what he haunts you in the dreams.
Is he
That's kinda like what he looks like.
Is he a flesh human?
Look it. Let me pull up the shirt real quick.
Oh god, guys. So I don't watch movies. I fuck bitches and get money.
Booyah!
Cut that out.
I think that this is a Freddy Krueger shirt because this is what Freddy looks like in Halloween. You see what I mean by it kind of
I get it. I
Freddy
do.
Krueger?
I do.
Okay,
do.
this can go back. Bye, Halloween.
Yup. That's 2 snake eyes.
Ooh.
So far, here's a little sneak peek. I can see that on the front. So that's my little sneak peek. So I'm gonna say it's probably something similar to that, but let's open her up. Whoa.
Oh. I
like
like
it.
that. I like the design, like the detail in the snake.
Yes.
Like you can really see the snake scales.
And the jewelry on the snakes.
Yeah.
And the eyes. I like the Sullen, obviously the Sullen at the top. We've got her. She can't really see because she's got snake eyes.
Yeah, I really like this though.
I like how
I like her
detailed-
snake tattoo. She's so pretty.
I really love that. What does it say on the bottom?
Protect what you love.
Oh, so it's kind of like one of those like Valkyrie, almost like Medusa.
Yeah, like a
Mabusa.
Mabusa.
You said Mabusa. I really like this one.
I really like this one too.
That is 3 out of 5.
Always creepin'. It's gonna be a colorful one from what I can tell with the front hit. You have this little
Giving greeny
guy.
and grimy.
Yeah.
Greeny and grimy.
Yeah. So let's open him up and see. Oh my!
Oh wait, what is happening there?
He looks like he's coming out of the grave.
Is he a grave robber?
It
A
kind of-
robber? A robber?
A grave digger, a grave zombie man.
What's this one called?
This one is called Always Creepin'.
He's always creeping on you.
What does it say at the bottom? We always be
Creeping.
creepin'.
So
Yeah?
pretty
much.
Yeah.
I really like the colors. I like the like
Hey guys.
yellowy green. It's very Halloween.
I would
colors.
say it's like almost like a Slimer. Like, you know, Slimer?
Yeah.
Like, insert Slimer badge, long sleeve, Sullen tee here. The picture, boom, we're editing Bryn, put it right there. These are all the things I know I can't do. I like the coffins. I like that
I
he's
also
like.
really like the font that Sullen's written in.
I also do. I like the wispies.
Yeah,
It's giving me a monster. It's giving me monster logo.
It kind of
vibes.
feels like this is what I would see in Goosebumps.
Mm.
This is giving
Like the old ones,
yeah,
like the
angry-
episodes.
the
Like you would go
Goosebumps.
home like after like elementary school and you'd be like,
Yeah.
dude,
Goosebumps is on.
let's watch. And it used to scare the shit out of me
here.
as a kid. I don't know
Yeah.
about you, but it
I was
always
so
scared me.
scared. I didn't read the books because I couldn't do it.
I can't read, guys. Okay, now this one looks like it's the one that is for the box.
Ooh.
And this one is called Dream Slayer.
Ooh. I like it. Okay, pizzazz. Slay. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, that is definitely
I
for the box.
Oh,
I
Oh,
really
yeah.
love the cathedral.
it's giving Wednesday vibes.
It really is.
Like, I feel like this is like, I feel like the glass should be there. Like, I feel like this is like, it's giving
Yeah.
like Wednesday,
Yeah.
Stranger Things.
Very much.
I
I
like
really
the
love
spooky-
this background. Like I love this guy around the cathedral. Like he looks stunning. And then there's the little guy in the cathedral. And then I also really like the Sullen font
Oh, where is it at the bottom?
at the very, very bottom. I like the font and it says Dream Slayer.
Ooh, I really like this one.
And there's so much like little designs of like the cobwebs here.
The spiders, there's multiple layers of spider webs.
Very much so. I like. Oh my goodness.
Just like my spider.
Scandalous. Put those down.
I want to show off my spider tights. That's the Nightmare Collection Capsule 2025.
I really like it.
I'm impressed. They always are outdoing themselves every single year.
Dana's microwaving in the background.
Sorry, guys. And without further ado, follow us
On
here.
that note, subscribe, like, comment, shop stellargear.ca. We ship domestically.
We're located in the Saskatoon Center Mall, and you guys all know what's about to happen.
That's a wrap.
baby.